Hello, how are you? Welcome to the science class for 2021. My name is Gustavo Cerdas. I will be your science teacher. I hope you enjoy your science class. You can call me Teacher Goose. During this trimester, we are going to study two units. Units 1 and 2. Unit 1 is about new lives, reproduction. Reproduction of humans and reproduction of animals. And Unit 2 is about living things. I think you have studied living things in the previous years. In reproduction, about human reproduction, we are going to study two systems, two important systems that interact together. One, the nervous system, and two, the reproductive system. A system, normally, we conceptualize it as a group of objects that work or get together to work in order to achieve or to reach a goal, to make a function. In the case of our bodies, we have many systems. We have the respiratory system, the circulatory system, the excretory system, the digestive system, and now we're going to study the nervous system and the reproductive system. So a system in our body is a group of organs that get together, work together, and function together in order to create something for our body. So, for example, in the nervous system, we have our brain and we have the nerves. We have the spinal cord, and all of them get together to make our body move and react in different ways. The nervous system is divided in two parts: the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The two parts of the nervous system are very, very important. But the most important part is our brain. If our brain does not work well, then the rest of the body is not going to work so well. So we have to take care of our brain. We say that our brain is like a control center because it controls everything, all the functions in our body. It controls our emotions, it controls our senses. We can see, we can hear, we can smell, we can taste, we can touch, we can move our parts of the body because everything is controlled in the brain. And we can even control our reproduction. So the brain is basically one of the most important parts of the body. The brain is inside the skull. The skull is like a helmet. You know, a helmet is a protector that you use when you ride a bicycle or a motorcycle, right? The helmet protects your head. Inside our head, we have the skull. The skull is a big, round bone, and it protects our brain. So it is very important to keep our brain healthy all the time. So for next week, I would like you to complete some evidences. On page number 2 in our textbook, We are going to answer the questions about what you know. On page number 3, you are going to complete this chart. The name of this chart is KWL Organizer. The K means knowledge or know, W means want, and L means learned. On the first column, you are going to write about what you know, answering these three questions. On the second column, you are going to write about what you want to know about this topic, answering these three questions. And on the last column, you are going to write about what you have learned, answering these three questions. It is also very important that you study the material, that you study the vocabulary that you have on page number 4, because we are going to have a special activity with this vocabulary. This is the vocabulary that we are going to learn during the unit. So try to read it, try to review it, try to understand what you know about this vocabulary. I hope you enjoy learning about the body systems. The body systems are fascinating, and I think you are going to learn a lot. I hope you have a good time, and remember to follow the health protocols. Wash your hands, keep a face mask, and keep social distance at all times. And most importantly, take care of yourselves. Enjoy your weekend. I will see you next week. Thank you very much.